Hey, my name's Dan.
Hey, I'm Megan.
Hi, my name's Dinesh.
Here at Direct Agents, we really pride ourselves at being digital experts. We value constant improvement and learning and really look to be thought leaders within our industry.
The thing I think I value most about Direct Agents is just the opportunity it's provided me to learn and grow professionally. We're really focused on education, so whether that be through internal expert sessions, attending conferences, or company-sponsored professional certifications, there's always just an opportunity to learn.
Right now, most brands' target users are everywhere. They are on their iPhone 8 hours a day. They are using their tablet at home. They're using their desktop at work. And all of those signals and all of those touch points need to be tracked. They need to be measured. They need to be targeted. How we take those signals and engage our target users is really the future of digital.
I think what really drives our creativity is the fact that we strive to be an industry leader when it comes to innovation in mobile web. Really what we're doing is trying to build customized experiences that really connect your brand with your audience and really deliver results that you're looking for.
At Direct Agents, our ability to innovate is in our DNA. We strive to provide an environment and culture where we are at the forefront of marketing and technology. Our team is educated in this fast-moving space to overcome challenges for our clients.
Entrepreneurial,
charismatic,
progressive, energetic,
ambitious,
diverse.